In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror your camera in Google Meet or flip your video feed to be more precise. This can be particularly useful if you want to see your display in the same orientation as others, a great way to optimize your virtual meeting experience. Let's dive in and walk through the easy steps to get you all set up. First things first, you're going to want to start by opening your Google Chrome browser and heading over to the Chrome Web Store. So type in the address bar Chrome Web Store to navigate there. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll type in Mirror Mode for Google Meet. This tool is an extension that will help you flip your video for a mirrored effect. After searching, you should see Mirror Mode for Google Meet in the list of results. Go ahead and click on it. Now to add it to your browser, simply click on the button that says Add to Chrome. Your browser will prompt you with a pop-up asking for confirmation. Click Add Extension to complete the process. This step will download and install the extension right into your Chrome browser, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Next, head over to Google by typing google.com in your address bar. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find an icon that looks like a square grid. That's the Google Apps menu. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find and select the Meet icon. This will open Google Meet for you. Once you're in Google Meet, let's go ahead and create a meeting. Click on New Meeting and select Start an Instant Meeting. This will bring you straight into a new video call. As you join the meeting, you may notice that your video is not mirrored yet. So let's fix that. Move your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. This is your extensions menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down list, find the Mirror Mode for Google Meet extension you just installed. Click on it to open up the options for this tool. You'll see a checkbox to enable or disable the Mirror Mode. If the box is checked, that means your video feed is mirrored. Since we want to see the unmirrored or flipped version of ourselves, you will want to click on the checkbox to disable it. And just like that, your video will switch to the mirrored view, presenting you to yourself exactly as others will see you. And there you have it. You have successfully mirrored your video in Google Meet. Feel free to adjust other settings within the extension if you wish. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps make your video calls a little more user-friendly. See you next time.